Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to export source code files from Lovable AI. In order to do this, you'll have to basically navigate to Lovable AI, log in using your user credentials and navigate to the project that you're working on. Now, if this is the project that I want to export the source code of, I'll have two ways. First, I can click on this icon and I can manually copy all these files and export them. And the other way is exporting them quickly through GitHub. So click on this GitHub icon at the top right, and as you can see I'm already connected, but if you're not, just click on connect to GitHub option that you will see here. After connecting your GitHub account, you'll see the option to export it. Just click on that and it will show up this page. This is GitHub. Now when this page gets opened, you'll have to click on code icon and choose download zip. Now when you choose download zip, this will instantly export your source code from Lovable AI into your PC. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.